What are the virtues of a noble woman? Strength and dignity are her clothing, and she shall rejoice at the day to come. She opens her mouth in wisdom, and the law of kindness is on her tongue. The heart of her husband does trust in her. Who can find a woman of virtue? For her value is far above jewels. Many are the daughters who have done excellent things, noble things, but you, O daughter of Yah, excel above them all. Charm is deceitful, and beauty is vain, but a woman who fears Yah, she shall be praised. Greetings in the name of Yah the Father, who is head over all, and our Master Yahusha Messiah. Welcome to Daughter of Yah Teaching Ministry.